Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use our brand new feature called Fictions. The goal of this feature is simply to be able to put your head in any scenario, any scenery using Argil. So whether it is a screenshot, a selfie, an image overall, or an avatar that you have on the platform, whether it is your own avatar or some of our 220 licensed avatars, you can use those and put those faces in any scenario really. So think about influencers grabbing a coffee, someone skiing on a mountain, or doing a battle with sabers. I don't know. Everything becomes possible and everything is easily doable within the tool. So let's jump into it. So first of all, what you can do is upload an image. So this happens simply here. So if you don't have anything here, you click on the button upload and you will go through the files of your computer. I have uploaded two very crappy screenshots of me, and the other way around this is to pick from the list of avatars. So for instance, those are my personal ones, so there is my face on it, which is not available on the platform as a licensed avatar. But the rest of the categories, so whether it is UGC, masterclass, fictional, podcast, those are all available to use. So once you pick, let's say, Thailand Newsman here, what you will see is that there are some settings at the bottom. So it can be either VO3 fast, or Hailuo. I would say the best overall here, when you take into account the results and how costly it is, VO3 fast is the best. 99% of the time you want to pick this over VO3 normal, simply because if you have a very low complexity scenery, like let's say just one person talking, no cuts, that's fast. I would say the only scenario is you have 100% dancing in the background, lots of music, lots of cut going on. Then I would go for the normal version of VO3. Then you pick if you want to have sound on overall on this video or not. Like if you put sound off, VO3 or Argil won't output any audio. Then, well, as you saw, we picked our avatar called Tyler. And then there is the voice. So you can decide to not add any voice and keep the natural audio from VO3. But let's say I want to upload my own picture here, right? So I will want my own voice to be present. So as I have already one on the platform, I can click on this. So it's a voice made on 11 Labs. And now I will be able to have my avatar, maybe with the sound effects that come with it in the video, like let's say there are sirens or anything. And then also me talking if I have text, if I have a script in the video. So that's pretty cool. That's how it works. And then the last step is, of course, to be using a prompt. So for that, I can copy paste it. Usually with VO3, you can really give a lot of details. Don't be shy to put in a few dozens of lines, because you can describe the audio, the way the camera looks like, the scenery, the actions, the text that's being said, like here. So you have a lot of control over this, and like take advantage of it. Basically, is my idea here. So now I'm going to show you a few examples of this prompt, but with my own avatar. I mean picture that I took right now, and one with one of our avatars. So here it is. Once you click on open, you can see that you can reuse the prompts and settings. You can see everything that has been used here, and you can click on play basically to preview the result.
We need to figure out what the hell is going on, and I think it's time to initiate Project X.
And here you have the results of one of the avatars of the platform called Jay's Podcaster, if you're wondering.
We need to figure out what the hell is going on, and I think it's time to initiate Project X.
So it's pretty cool. The way it looks like, it's completely similar to the image we have of him, for instance. So it's pretty amazing. And the last things I want to mention are regarding reusing templates, reusing prompts. You can basically click on the button Remix here, and what it will do is get back the prompt you were using, the avatars, the voice that you picked, all the settings, and the first frame, which means that basically if you are satisfied with the settings, the way it looks like overall, you can just skip the first frame and reiterate on top of that. Otherwise, go back from a blank slate, and just get started with it. So that's pretty much it. Overall, just keep in mind that the moderation can be a bit different from what you usually have on Argil, because it's completely related to the third-party products that we are integrating. And that's pretty much it. Don't hesitate to join us on Discord or email us to the support. We respond to everything personally. Have a great day and see you to the next one.